And welcome to the great outdoors. Well, you join us on another Wales adventure. This time we're back down in the north of Wales. At present we're near the Snowdonia National Park, but we're not in it at the moment. As you can see behind me is this beautiful waterfall. Absolutely stunning. You've got the little rock formation in the middle, as you can see, where the water comes through it. I've never seen anything like it. I'll be honest with you, it's supposed to be the highest waterfall, I believe, in Wales. I don't know how true that is, because I'm sure I read that it was the highest single drop waterfall, but I wouldn't say this was single drop. I'm not going to try and pronounce the name. I will put it above us here, because, yeah, I'll destroy the Welsh language. We've got a bit of an adventure planned for the next couple of days. After we've been here, we're going to go down to Pistyll Rhaeadr. Again, that's probably not the way you say it, but anyway. So we'll do a little bit of videoing around there. But I'll be honest, the weather isn't brilliant. There may be some drone footage from around here, but it constantly is tipping down the rain. And I can't seem to get a very good signal on the drone in here anyway, and it seemed to act quite badly. But, you know, it is what it is. Yeah, what we're going to do in a minute, we're going to make our way up to the top of the waterfall so we can have some photos and some videos looking down. Hopefully, the weather will hold off a bit. It is very cloudy. There's a mountain just over there. I don't know what it's called. But yeah, it's very cloudy. Anyway, I'll bring you back in a bit when we're up there. See you in a bit. Hello and welcome back. Well, we finally made it up here. It's very steep, I'll be honest, but doesn't take that long to get up here. There is a gravel track all the way up. We took sort of a bit of a shortcut, which is also a path, but it's not the one that they recommend down there, but it is on the Outdoor Active app. It's not a hard walk. I mean, if it was dry, it'd be quite easy, other than the fact, you know, there's quite an incline, obviously. It is quite beautiful up here. You'll see I'll splice in bits of the shots, but there's waterfalls running all the way down from the top up there. Very pretty. There looks like there's a couple of pool areas as well, which if you're into your wild swimming might be an idea in, well, better and warmer weather than this, obviously, but I know some of you wild swimmers out there wouldn't have a problem going in there now. But yeah, it is beautiful. There's some great views up here, as you can see, but as you can also see, it's quite cloudy again today. So, you know, I can imagine when the clouds lift, the sun's out, you'll be able to see for quite a way. And I'd imagine that this is just beautiful, like the colours, I would imagine. But, you know, unfortunately, we happen to have turned up in a time where the weather has turned. I mean, I'll be honest, last week, well, the last 2 weeks, it's been sunny and lovely. Unfortunately, the week we've got booked, not so great. But, you know, that's the way it is. We'll make the most of our time here. Anyway, we're just going to enjoy it. Kelly's going to take some more photos with her camera, sort of take note of the slightly less wet weather at the moment. It's not raining as badly, and we might bring you back in a bit. Hello and welcome back. We finished down at the top of the waterfall now. We're actually a little bit higher now. We're at 1,360 feet roughly above sea level at present. As you can see, there's an absolutely spectacular view of the valley. The cloud has lifted. It's not as low as it was, as you can see. You can see a little bit further away. You can see the mountains in the distance starting to appear. We've had a fairly dry patch for the last hour, to be fair, which is nice. We've spent a bit more time up here. Kelly's been taking some photos, which we are going to try and include in our video, so you can have a look at them, because it's our first proper try at spending a good period of time fiddling with settings and that on her camera and seeing what she can get. So hopefully we'll have some good ones there. It's just starting to rain again now. So we're making our way back down. I'm going to end the video here. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, if you could like, and if you haven't already, subscribe. And any comments are always welcome. Just to let you know, there will be other videos closely following this one in our Wales adventure. I'll see you in the next adventure. Bye for now. Way up, way down.